Welcome famous mate. Today we'll discuss about how to start your t-shirt business. In first, we'll discuss printing with machines and how they work. In a second step, we'll discuss how we can get vendor and start doing business for free. In the third step, I'll give you a website from where you can easily talk to them and use them as your vendor. There are 3 basic printing types in the printing market: sublimation printing, digital printing, and screen printing. Sublimation print is the cheapest and easy, and it's affordable too, even its machines. Sublimation transfer image by just simple heat pressing. You just need a special paper sheet and machine. And yes, if you are going for sublimation machine printing or any printing option, then please don't go for simple color printing. You need 5 or 6 color printers. It works good and gave you the best image quality. Simple color printing machines work fine, but you may lose your clients. Sublimation printing lasts for 20 to 30 washes. It may long last if your printing paper and the quality of the t-shirt are good. Heat press sublimation machines costs you $250 to $1,000. Digital printing machines are larger. You can't do that into the house as easy as sublimation printing. The digital printing prints directly and it doesn't need any plates or anything. Digital printing is easy to use, and the thing which makes digital printing different from others is that it does not take too much time to print. It is faster than many of that traditional printings. You just need a material that where do you want to print, like business cards, office stationery, letterhead, anything like that. And yes, you can print fabric too. It's beneficial if your print is into quantity. The digital machine costs you from $5,000 to nearly $200,000, and if you are going for advanced production, it will cost you more than $20,000 to $200,000. Screen printing has its own history. It comes from the late 1800s until now. It is the best in printing. It is just like we say old is gold, but in these days it has become an advanced process, from using of advanced fabrics to the advanced machinery. It can be printed on everything, even on the leather too. Screen printing uses a woven mesh screen that supports an ink blocking stencil that produces your image. Lanyards and balloons are also printed by this method. Screen printing is prints high quality, and yes, it is better than sublimation and digital. At the start, you need labor too for that printing, or you need to join someone who can teach you. The screen printing gives you the best, softer, and lasts longer. Screen printing machines cost you between $30,000 to $80,000. Don't get confused between these 3 options. If you are a beginner, don't invest too much. Forget about digital and screen printing, go for sublimation printing. In first step, we discussed about machines and their types. Now we'll discuss how we can do printing business without buying any machine. Recently I earned a good amount of money by these simple steps, and I didn't buy any machine or any website for my printing business. Yes, it is a complete 0% investment. Follow these simple steps that I'm going to tell you to start a t-shirt business or t-shirt printing business, and yes, you can also start this from home. This step is very simple and money saving. You just need communication skills and need to know how to negotiate for a deal. Just focus and follow every step that I'm going to tell you. Create network contacts in market who is printing or selling t-shirts. Create links, contact with those people who are already doing this business. Search for the best person in the market who gives the lowest price. Tell them you'll bring some order to him, and now negotiate and fix the deal. If they gave you $3 price per product, now you can easily sell and earn some profit on it. You can sell it for $4 or $5. Don't go for a double profit. Now we can say your shop is ready somehow. But it's time to bring some customers for printing business, and yes, you can do this from home too. After dealing with vendors, there are some steps that'll bring you good traffic for your printing business. Create a Facebook and Instagram page with a creative name. Add some customized products photos to it. You can use free images by pixabay.com, or there are many other royalty-free images on the internet. After creating this, share it with your friends, or if you are in the mood, then create an exceptional looking post and give a boost, and please don't go for over boosting. The first, test that into your city, then go further. If you made your first order, then go for it. Make flyers and give them to people who are working in offices. Food business. In offices they need customized office gadgets. They need mugs, notebooks, or laptop back cover. And in some events like CSR they need customized t-shirts too with their company logo on it. From home, simple is that to connect with some social media groups of printing services. At there many people are posting daily for printing their products. Make some proper office deal for offices or food businesses. Every day there's someone startup. You can customize mugs, pens, cards, and office gadgets for them, but you must give them a good deal. You can name it all in one where all office-related accessories are there. You can hire a delivery man or you can do it for yourself. In simple, find a vendor from your local city. If they gave you $3 per product price, you can sell it for $4 or $5. Search for a client on social media or hit up offices near you. Hire a delivery man or do it for yourself. Before starting, you just need to research on your target market. Your customer are the main source of your advertising, so do research and go for your local areas first. Search for offices, colleges, organizations, food businesses, or any business who need their logos printed on products. Every business need advertising, and that is why everyone need customized products with their business logos on it. Create a price list of your products and sample, and knock some businesses around you. Many of them will already into deal with printing shops, so you need to give some better quality from them and at a good price. While showing them your price list and products, let them talk further about that, and start discussing order fulfillment. What service do they like? Start telling them how fast you can deliver, and you can also ask them about your pricing, that what they think. You can also offer them a free product, like with 10 t-shirts we offer 2 mugs free or something better. That down your competitor. Let me tell you more about special offer. The printing business is competitive, and it is very important to do something creative and unique. With market research, it is also important to research your competitors. Search for weaknesses of your competitor too. There are some marketing tips in this niche that may boost your monthly sales. Print t-shirts with memes, trending news, and celebrity. Print some quotes. Print something that can easily seek the attention of people in public. Give discounts and special offers to customers. To create a good connection with your customers, it's very necessary. Do free giveaways after some success. It will make a positive image for the public. Create videos on YouTube and TikTok. Do vehicle advertisements in your local area. It will increase your brand visibility. Wish you good luck for your business. There is a link in a description where you can find machines and all the information about this business.